Hello everyone, welcome back to absolute values equations and how a negative a value, which is this, affects the equation. So x plus negative 5 times x plus 7 plus 10. Sorry for my bad handwriting, I can't really help it, I use a computer. So what you do is you have to, for the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out what makes the inside of this 0. So in this case it would be negative 7, so 0 times negative 5 equals 0 plus 10 equals positive 10. So then what you want to do is you want to graph that. From graphing that you get the vertex and your line of symmetry. Your line of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 7 and your vertex is going to be negative 7 comma 10. Okay. After you get that out of the way, you want to figure out a point that's going to be close to it. And so what I did was I did negative 3. So negative 3 plus 7 equals 4 times negative 5 equals negative 20 plus 10 equals negative 10. So your point is going to be negative 3, negative 10, which is going to be right here. How I got this point was doing the line of symmetry, which is right here. So I knew that it was going to be 4 over 10 down, so I just did that again on the opposite side of the line of symmetry, starting at my vertex right there. So what you do to get the domain is you look at the you look at your equation. So that's what I did. I said x equals, it's going to be x as long as x equals all real numbers. Your range is going to be f of x as long as f of x is less than or equal to 10. You have no asymptotes because an asymptote is where it cannot touch your vertex, which is where the point can and starts, is negative 7, 10. Your symmetry is x equals negative 7. Your y-intercept is going to be 0, comma, negative 25. And how you get this is you input 0 as x. Your x-intercepts is negative 5, comma 0 and negative 9, comma 0. And how you get that is you, after you get that, you get a straight line for that. And that's going to be negative 5, negative 9. Your end behavior is x as long as it goes to infinity, negative infinity, sorry. F of x as long as f of x goes to negative infinity, x goes to negative infinity for your second point, and negative infinity, f of x goes to negative infinity for your second point as well. Because they're both going down, and they're both going down at a constant rate for infinite. So you have two end behaviors because you have 2 points. What a negative a does is it affects the steepness and the up or down, or not the up or down, but that, yeah. Your k, or not your h, which is right here, affects the going side to side, and this affects where it is up and down point from, yeah. So yeah, that's how you do absolute value. So yeah.